Hello friends, today we are going to see how to extend a pattern using content aware and also how we can extend a background using content aware. So let us start. So here we have an image of a bricks. We have a bricks background, or you can say pattern. So we want to extend the bricks background. Okay, we want to extend this bricks pattern completely over this document. So we can use content aware to do that. So it's very easy. So how we can do it is, see, I'm going to select a rectangular marquee tool and I'm going to draw a selection just from starting from this bricks image to the end of this document. And also I'm going to use our transform tool to adjust the selection properly so that it is exactly aligned to the bricks image. So we should get something like this, and we'll adjust it a little bit. Right. So now we have a selection like this. Now I am going to extend this bricks pattern inside this selection. So how we can do it is, simply we have to go to edit and we have to select this fill option, and in fill we have a content aware, and we have to simply click OK. So we can see the bricks pattern is extended to the edge of this document, and in the same way we are going to extend it over to the left side of the document. So again we are going to select the transform selection, and I am going to fit the selection properly so that it is exactly aligned to the bricks image. And the next thing we have to do is, see, slightly we have to put the selection little bit inside this bricks image, so that the content aware will know which pattern it has to repeat. So now what we have to do is, again we have to go to edit, and then we will use this fill, and then we will select the content aware and then simply click OK. See, we have extended the bricks pattern, and we will do the same thing vertically, see, on top and bottom. So just we have to draw a selection till here, a little bit inside the image, and then again we'll go to edit and select fill content aware, and the same thing we'll do at the bottom, edit fill content aware. So we can see how quickly we have extended this bricks pattern. So this is a very quick and easy way to extend a pattern. In this image we are going to extend the background. So we can use the same technique that we have used for the bricks. Okay, so what we can do is, we can simply draw a selection like this, okay, a little bit inside the background, and then we can just use this fill option, and then we can select the content aware, and then we can just click OK. Okay, so we can see again the same background is repeated. But there is another way to do, especially when you have some subjects like this. Here we have a dad, a father and his daughter standing on the beach. So if you have such images, sometimes what happens is we have to be careful while stretching the background. So sometimes what happens, the subject will be affected. So we have another option here, which is content aware scale. So we can use this option. So what we can do with this option is, see, we can just select this and we can scale the background. So if it is able to find the background, common background opposite to the subject, it will extend it properly. So simply it will extend it properly, but sometimes it might actually stretch the subject. So see, the subject is getting stretched. So see here, when I am trying to extend the background, the subject is getting affected. So let us ensure that the subject is not affected, but still we want to extend the background. So what we can do is, so we can actually isolate the subject. So how we can isolate the subject? Or we can say we can separate the subject and the background. So I am going to select a lasso tool, and then I am going to draw a selection around this subject. Actually we also have to target the shadows, so let me remove the selection. So let me draw the selection from the shadows and also the reflection that you see below this man. So even you have to select that reflection. So you have to get something like this. So then what we can do is, let's go to the channels, and I'm going to create an alpha channel. So just click on this, come to the channels and just click on this button, so that an alpha channel is created. So you can see here an alpha channel is created. It is alpha 1 actually. So now we will remove the selection simply using Ctrl D as keyboard shortcut. Then come back to the layers, and then what we are going to do is, I'm again going to go to the file and I'm going to select, file, I'm again going to go to the edit and I'm going to select content aware scale. And then see, normally we are going to we can extend it like this simply, but what we are going to do is, I'm going to use this option protect. Here we can see protect option. So from protect option I am going to select alpha 1. We have just now created an alpha channel around this subject actually, so that it will protect, it will not affect this father and his daughter. They are not going to be stretched when you are going to stretch the background. Okay, so now we are going to stretch the background. So I am going to hold shift and I am going to stretch the background. See, now you can see the father and his daughter are not affected. So this is a better way of extending a background without affecting the subjects. So let us try to use these same techniques in some other images. So let me select this image, and what I am going to do is, here also I am going to just simply draw a selection around this subject, and I am going to just apply an alpha channel. So here also for this image I have applied an alpha channel, so that I can separate the subject and the background. And then again what I am going to do is, I am going to deselect the selection, and then I am going to go to edit and apply content aware scale, and then I am going to select the alpha 1, which is this subject, and then again I am going to hold shift and extend this background without affecting the subject. So we can use this technique to extend the backgrounds such as beaches, and also you can use this technique to extend the sky. So we can simply unlock this background, and first what I am going to do is, I am going to just simply extend this canvas, and now what we are going to do is, simply we can use both the techniques actually. Here we don't have any subject, so we can simply use content aware scale and simply stretch the background or this clouds background, or you can hold shift and then you can stretch. So either way you can simply extend the background. So this is a very simple and easy way. Here with this technique you can create nice patterns. You can just create a small pattern and then extend it all over the canvas if the canvas size is very big. So we will just try this technique in one more image. So over here, so let me try the old method which is content aware fill. So just I'm going to draw a selection just a little bit inside the image to the right edge of the document, and then I'm going to go to edit and I'm going to use fill, and then I'm going to select content aware and I'm going to click OK. So we got it. So okay, you might if you observe closely you might get some repeated patterns, but that's okay. You can actually use other tools such as patch tool and improve these areas, but this is a one quick and easy way to extend your canvas. So something like this. So I hope you like this tutorial. Please do subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Like, share, and if you have anything to say, please do comment. See you again.